Hello everyone! Today in this video, we're going to explain everything about our new range of painful leather and imitation leather, Setacolor Leather. Introduction to the range. New Setacolor Leather range is a complete range to support the Setacolor family, which has been especially designed for customizing and repairing leather and synthetic leather. High-quality paint offering a wide range of colors, resistance to scratches, folding, and rubbing. This range offers a modern color chart, 23 matte satin, 12 effect colors, metal, glitter, fluorescent, phosphorescent, and duochrome. 10 markers with extra thin tip, and 6 auxiliaries designed to prepare, create, and protect your designs. The colors are packaged in 45 ml bottles. The auxiliaries are offered in a 110 ml format. All bottles in range are made of PET and 25% recycled material. Prepare the support with the preparer and deglazer product. Before applying Setacolor leather paints or markers, it is very important to properly prepare the surface. As leather is a special material, you must first apply the preparer and deglazer from the range. It removes the protective varnish that covers the leather and removes grease. This will enable you to clean the surface thoroughly in order to obtain optimal adhesion of the colors afterwards. Creation and colors. Once the support has been prepared, you are ready to apply your colors. In order to explain the properties of each of the products in the range and help you to understand their use, we have applied all the color and auxiliary categories to dark or light colored leather or synthetic leather swatches. You need to let dry each coat to avoid rediluting the previously applied paints. Of the 23 matte satin color in the range, we have applied the following colors to the brown leather swatch: pure white and terracotta. The application using a brush is a very pleasing experience, and the paint does not leave a trace. The application is uniform and the colors are opaque, with a maximum of 3 thin coats. It should be noted that, for this metric, the colors created by our market competitors take as many as 7 coats to become opaque. The colors can be mixed together, so you can create an infinite variety of shades and color gradients. The Setacolor leather range's durability has been approved by a test protocol based on 100,000 folds and also by a wet rubbing test. These tests proved Setacolor leather range is 3 times more resistant than market standards. The application of khaki green and vivid yellow here shows that the colors are luminous with a matte satin finish. The color chart of this range is modern and unique. PBO has selected and created its signature colors to match trends in this technique, such as sage green and matcha green. 3 glitter colors round of the range: silver glitter, gold glitter, and iridescent glitter. These glitter colors can be used in 2 ways. They can be either applied directly on the support or worked with a colored base. On the light leather swatch, we applied the taupe color as a base, then added gold and iridescent glitter. These colors are saturated with glitter to achieve a great sparkling effect. On the black swatch, we applied the gold and silver glitter colors directly and transparently onto the supports. When wet, the application appears cloudy, but this effect disappears when the paint dries to reveal the sparkling effect of the glitter. These paints are not compatible with an airbrush application. 2 colors in this category: fluorescent yellow and fluorescent pink. Fluorescent colors should be applied on light background as they have a transparent base. These colors can lend an extra boost to a customization project because they have a real fluorescent effect. The metal range is made up of 3 colors: gold metal, bronze metal, and silver metal. The color darkens on drying and is opaque after 2 coats. We recommend applying over a dark surface to reveal a sublime metallic finish. There are an infinite number of metallic shades that can be obtained by adding a few drops of classic colors to the silver shade. The super phosphorescent is applied in thick layers and in successive strokes for a super enhanced effect in the dark. We recommend applying the phosphorescent color on the dark supports. Its effect will be all the better in the dark if it has been exposed to light beforehand. The duochrome category is unique and was crafted especially by PBO to create colors which change and evolve depending on movement and lights. It includes 3 shades combinations: pink blue, blue green, and yellow purple. The effect appears best on dark surfaces. If you're working on a light background, you can apply a black undercoat. Creating with the auxiliaries. Glue. This auxiliary is used for bonding various materials to leather or imitation leather. Here, we have glued a leather swatch which is painted in khaki green onto the first decorated swatch. It is crucial to remove any residue while the glue is still fresh. The glue should be applied only to the areas to be glued. We recommend gluing directly onto the area without waiting for the glue to dry. Thinner lightener. We chose to present 2 different uses when working with the thinner lightener auxiliary. Application with a brush shows the possibility to thin and lighten the ultramarine blue color. Application of the pure color, then the diluted color. The color retains all of its properties, but becomes lighter and more transparent. It can also be applied with an airbrush. We recommend a minimum of 50% thinner with maximum 50% paint to obtain an optimal viscosity for smoother airbrushing. This technique is highly recommended for customizing sneakers. The result is uniform and leaves no traces of paints. Masking fluid. The masking fluid has a specific formulation for use on leather and synthetic leather. It does not contain the same formulation as our drawing gum. Use it to define paint-free areas for drawing or writing. It is applied in a thick layer and needs at least 2 coats. The bluish color helps to identify the masked areas and darkens when drying. To obtain clean lines after peeling or rubbing off, it is advisable to apply a thin layer of color to dry masking fluid. Once dry, simply peel the gum off with your finger within a maximum of 15 days from application. The brush can be cleaned with soapy water. The product must be left to dry between the 2 coats in the same way as paints. You can work directly with the covered areas on the supports, then apply the color over the gum. Alternatively, you can use the gum to draw over an already applied color, covering the masking fluid with another color to create a colored background rather than coloring the supports. Gloss varnish and matte satin varnish. 2 varnishes make up the Setacolor Leather range, a matte satin varnish and a gloss varnish. The varnish protects creations on leather or synthetic leather from scratches or scuffs and general wear and tear. The application on the 2 swatches worked with the thinner was carried out using a brush. They can be applied with a brush or airbrush without prior dilution. These varnishes do not leave traces. The matte satin varnish must be well mixed before use. We recommend waiting 24 hours before varnishing. Creating with markers. PBO is breaking new ground in this technique by offering a range of 10 colors of special markers for leather and synthetic leather. With an extra thin tip, you can easily work on customizing leather and synthetic leather surfaces, even if you're new to the activity. This marker is great for drawing, writing, and working on details or flat areas. The shades are identical to those in the 45ml bottle. For fluorescent shades, it is best to apply to light colored surfaces. The tip is primed very quickly, so don't press too hard or for too long, since the color may leak out of the tip. If the tip is holding too much fluid or becomes clogged, you can easily replace it. Remove the white tip holder. Then grip the white foam underneath the metal tip with 2 fingers to remove the tip only. Replace with a new metal tip and screw the tip holder back on. Marker kits and boxes. 2 complete Setacolor Leather boxes are available. One consists of 20 ml bottles featuring the primary colors as well as white and black, alongside a preparer and deglazer, which is essential to prepare the supports. This box is ideal for getting started. The other is for people who wish to perfect their technique and includes primary colors and combinations. A pure white for working on color gradients, a marker, and a preparer and deglazer. 3 marker kits are also part of the range, including a set of 2 fluorescent markers, a set of 2 white and black markers, as well as a set of 5 markers in primary colors. So now you know everything there is to know about the Setacolor Leather range. If you need any further information, get in touch with the PBO team. Thanks for watching!